I'm going to share with you which I think is the best way to take vitamin D supplements. Now, vitamin D supplements are available either as 60,000 international units as weekly doses or once in 2-week doses. They're also available in smaller doses like 250 international units, 1000 international units. So which is the better way to take? Take them as 60,000 units once weekly or take them in small daily doses. My way has been to take it as weekly doses because my objective is to reach somewhere around 45 to 55 nanogram per ml, which is like the optimal level of vitamin D. The normal range is between 30 to 100, but for optimal health, youth and longevity, we say playing somewhere around the 50s number is the best way to make sure that you're getting enough vitamin D. When I'm calculating like that, it's easier for me to arrange my schedule saying like I will take it for this many weeks and then check. I usually check once in 6 months and then titrate accordingly. But if I'm taking it every day, I usually don't have this thought process that I must reach a particular number for my skin health and anti-aging goals. So it's easier for me to do it in a weekly routine. You can skip for a few weeks if you see yourself edging closer above 65-70 doses which may be associated with toxicity or hypervitaminosis D, and if you're kind of coming down below 35-40, even though it is technically normal range, but it's not optimal range. So if you're coming down, you can just step up the dose accordingly without having to think about, am I taking other vitamins in excess? So if you're taking vitamin D in combination with something else, you have to calculate for those other vitamins also. I prefer to take this particular supplement in solo because there's a range that we are targeting for health, youth and longevity. So it's easier to calculate it this way. Now these weekly doses, they are available as granules and sachets, they are available as chewable tablets, and they're available as capsules as well. I don't have any major preference. I've taken all three and I've tried to see if the vitamin D level goes up predictably, and it does. So between these three, I'd leave it to you to feel what suits you better. Yeah, it's just operationally easier to take it weekly once and maintain the levels accordingly. If you have more questions around this, leave them in the comments below and we will discuss. I'll see you soon and you take care.